Start now. Hello everyone, luna-sol-onyx here. I am doing something a little different. We're not reading, I'm just doing something entirely. My sister did this on her channel. I think it was on her channel or the Luna Marisha, I don't know. We were supposed to do it together, but now we're doing it individually. But I am singing on this channel because I am too scared to do it on my own, on the Luna Marisha until I know I'm doing good. This is What It Sounds Like by by Huntrix on K-Pop Demon Hunters. This song does not belong to me. It belongs to the rightful owners. We're going to turn it up a bit and let us get started. Know the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lines all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. Walk into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. Shown as a part of me, darkness and harmony. Then voice that's out the lines. This is what it sounds like. And I've heard up the color stuck inside my head. One should have looked and jagged edges meet the line instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. One song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. We're shattering the silence. We're rising, defiant, drowning in fire. You're not alone. Listen to the demons. We let them get between us. One of us are out here alone, alone. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we were not heroes. We're still survivors. I'm dreamers, the fighters. No lying. I'm tired. I've been fire, and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. We are seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. So much a part of me, darkness and harmony. Then voice without the laugh. This is what it sounds like. When we cover up the colors stuck inside our heads. Up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. This house and undefiled. This is what it sounds like. What it sounds like. Oh, 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 hey, hey. What it sounds like. Oh, 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 hey, hey. This is what it sounds like. Oh, oh, hey. What it sounds like. This is what it sounds like. Into a million pieces and we can't go back. I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. Drones upon me, darkness and harmony. And words without the lies. This is what it sounds like. When we cover up the color stuck inside our head. We get up and meant to meet. I just check. It sounds like. And we cover up the color stuck inside our head. We get up and let the jagged edges make the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I find your harmony. We feel this and undefined. This is what it sounds like. What's this out the lines? This is what it sounds like. I feel this and undefined. This is what it sounds like. Truth after this time, our voices all combined. Let's make the light. This is what it sounds like. I am out of breath. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I have no breath in me. Um, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my singing. You can tell that this is not copyrighted because I messed up on that last part and a bunch of other parts. Y'all can probably hear it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Bye.